Hi and welcome to No Second Season. Today I'm having an active rest day. I've just come on a little hike on the MERRITT'S nature trail. It's just some gentle exercise because my body, after riding all day yesterday, desperately needs some rest. My muscles ache. So you walk over this bridge towards EBIII Bush Camp. There's a lovely little pool there for bathing in, and down here seems to be a camping area. Macca's Rest, that says on that board. A lovely little pool by the river. Marvellous. And continuing up the trail now after the EBIII Bush Camp. So here's some of the trail I rode yesterday. Ground is hard packed and there's a layer of dust on top and it makes it very slippery. And from here, a beautiful view, the river down there, a peak up there, I don't know which one it is. I'll have to look it up. This one here. Some lovely mature woodland. There's a big tree. It's a dead big tree. What a lovely walk this is. We're getting higher and higher. The river's right down there. That's the river. Here it looks like the trail splits into two. Turning right is the MERRITT'S nature track that we started on, and going straight on is the Meadows nature track. I think I'll go up the MERRITT'S one. I don't know if it's a loop or not. I haven't got a map. I'm an idiot. I would recommend sunscreen if you're coming in sunny weather, because although sometimes in the shade, at the moment I'm in the sun. So I've decided I'm going to turn around and go on the Meadows track back to Thredbo village because it's looking decidedly gloomy up there. So the Meadow trail also goes up and round in a loop. It's spitting with rain. Skies are looking gloomy. The MERRITT'S track was very well marked indeed. The Meadows one, not so. I haven't got a clue where it goes. So I'm just going to make my way down the mountain the best I can. It started raining now, so I put my camera away. I forgot you've got a really good 4G signal here, so I'm going to make my way back onto the meadow nature track and head down to the village on that. I need to put it away though because it's going to get wet, so I need to hurry up. And the trail is somewhere down here. So it's just an open trail. There doesn't seem to be an actual marked trail. But you're heading down here. All Trails is showing I'm on the track. So it seems to be along these alpine chalets. And that's going to take you back to the village. Nice summer rain at the moment. I'm not cold at all. I'm very hot. It would be great if you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I know I'm a bit of a nincompoop. I come out for a stroll and it ends up to be a hike, and then I have to abandon it because of rain and because I'm not dressed for it. I forgot some important things. Well, one important thing, I forgot to bring my drinks bladder on this trip. So I've had to buy a new one. Luckily there was a shop selling them, and I bought a Black Hawk one. I will show you it because actually it looks a lot better than a Camelback, so much easier to fill. And I also forgot my shampoo and shower gel. The Australians will say, well, you bloody stinking pom. That's not surprising. When you're coming at Christmas, obviously people don't want to work Christmas Day, and they are. All the lifties are working on the ski lifts and gondolas, which is fantastic. It's $105 a day for an adult. You wouldn't want to walk up the mountain 4 times in a day. I certainly wouldn't for 25 bucks a throw. No way, I'd rather pay. It's Boxing Day and that cafe was open. You can walk in here towards the toilets, up these stairs. There's a pub in there. Pub looks open. There's a bike shop there, just here, and a posh ski shop there, which is where I bought my bladder. Straight out the other side, up these steps, and my hotel is opposite. So this morning there was a traffic warden out. She gave this bike a ticket because it didn't have the Kosciuszko pass, but she said they were closed yesterday, so they get some time to buy it. So hopefully he'll get it and not get a fine.
Apprenons le cha-cha-cha.